My favorite season. My favorite season is summer. I love it because the sun shines brightly and I can play outside every day. Today, I went to the park with my friends. We played soccer and ran around the playground. I enjoyed feeling the warm breeze on my face. After playing, we had a picnic with sandwiches and juice. We laughed and shared stories under the big trees. Later, we decided to go to the splash pad. The cool water felt amazing on a hot day. We splashed each other and made fun memories. I also love summer because I get to go to the beach with my family. Building sand castles and collecting seashells is so much fun. Summer is full of adventures, and I always look forward to it. I hope every summer is as great as this one.